Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram game not showing. A new feature has been developed by Instagram in DMs of its mobile application. If it's not working on your mobile phone, you need to first update your Instagram. To update your Instagram, open your Play Store if you are using Android, or if you are using an iPhone, open your App Store. Then go to your search bar at top, then enter Instagram, then tap on Instagram. Now again tap on Instagram option, then you'll be able to see the option of update on the place of open. Tap on update so that you'll be able to update your Instagram application. After you update your Instagram application, once go through your Instagram and check whether the feature has been available or not. If this feature is still not working, then go to your settings available on your mobile phone. Then go through apps, tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps. Now look for Instagram application. Then tap on Instagram. Now tap on clear data. Then here you can see two options. Tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK so that you can clear your cache. After that, all the cache of your Instagram application will be deleted. Know that the option of settings differ according to the mobile phone that you are using. If this is still not working, you can uninstall your Instagram application, then reinstall your Instagram application through Play Store if you are using Android, or App Store if you are using your iPhone. After you follow through all this process, then you'll be able to fix Instagram game not showing on your mobile phone. Now once go through your Instagram and check whether this feature has been available to your mobile phone or not. This is how we can fix Instagram game not showing. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.